responsibilities are just liabilities. All this routine makes me feel like a machine. Why be so serious when you could be spontaneous?
They stick sticks in there for the marshmallows, and that's what they do. That's chocolate.
I think they're just... Can I have one? You can buy one. I don't want it like that. I want it fresh. I don't like speak with you.
Because it's over glass and they're working?
No, look.
So I know it.
Look.
So this is how they make their candy apples here.
Look, I want you to see this.
And they mix the chocolate there. Pour it in a bowl, heat it up. They stick sticks in there for the marshmallows. And that's what they do. And then these things cool. And it looks like sprinklers for noses. And the sticks fall on top. Here it is turning. There's that person decorating one. Mom, this makes me want to go home and bake. Oh, it's not sticks. They just stuck it on there. And redip. I mean, look how many layers of chocolate they're putting on that. They're not putting like one layer. That's like 5 layers. No, that person did a whole bunch.
Caramel first.
This person's done like 5 layers on one.
Not the chocolate one.
Okay. I'm really thinking.
He dips it in there 5 times.
What's this?
Well,
That's the second time.
Okay, that's caramel that's on it right now. Caramel. It's not chocolate. So that's 1 time.
One time. Watch this. Watch this.
Still just 1.
Two.
He did not dip it again.
Okay, the other ones he did.
Yeah.
And then he puts the bow on. Mom, I need to bake more.
I'm amazed the sticks stay in.
Yeah, after that.
They're durable. $40. The other one's good.
Black M&Ms.
I got this one.
Okay, hold on.
Oh,
You know how much fun I would have working right here? I would love it.
I would eat too. I would eat so.
Don't lose your
He's making sure there's no wrinkles and anything in it. I'm not.
Okay.
I could do that all day.
How do you receipt, man?
Oh, look how cute these are.
You can make these. We should do that for Christmas presents. Look at the ones out the bottom.
Coconut patties. Other stuff. We've got a lot of this. We got these and these, and we're thinking about getting these. Am I allowed to walk up there? Yeah. Now she's making the crispies. She dips it in the chocolate and then she dips it in the
Got a green sticker.
dips it in the chocolate, dips it in the
Yeah, we're waiting on you, love.
So that's their bakery. And here's where they make the cotton candy.
So what'd you get, Ella? Cool beans.
A present.
So we got all these. Did you show them the 5 pound?
It's 5 pounds.
I don't know, is it? Is that what $20 worth of Rice Krispies looks like?
16.
$16? I bet it's yummy.
I want to eat it.
15.
Smells so good.
15.
When smell-o-vision comes out, there you go.
I would love to make it.
No Olaf's.
Okay, let's go. Wait, you found Olaf?
Oh, that one's cracked. I bet it still tastes good. Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's the marshmallows, a snowball. The little ball. Peanut ones.
Hey, Ella, patient, baby. Is it ready
Oh, yum.
Oh look, the marshmallows are broken in half so they stick better. And then they're like, so they just have to pick it up, break it.
Clever. Very, very clever. I was wondering how they were sticking them. Didn't know if it was just the chocolate, the caramel. I figured she'd get cotton candy.
Do what?
I figured she would get cotton candy. I know. Ella, why didn't you get cotton candy?
You can get cotton candy at the diner thing. Oh, you can look at diner plans.
Okay, how do we need to leave the store now?
With the exit right there.
Okay. Okay, so here we go. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Yep.
Do I need this receipt, Mom? I do?
What is it?
Confectionary.
Yep.
Grade's about to start. I mean, not.
Okay, fact. You know this? The buildings when you walk in are smaller at the top. Did you know that? To make it look like they're taller than they actually are. It's an illusion. No, on Main Street. As they move to go up, it's smaller. So look at the bottom windows and look at the top windows. See, they're smaller. It's to make them look the illusion that they're taller and bigger. It's a Disney fact. I'm full of them. Tired?
Yeah?
See you tomorrow.
Got to the left. To the left.
All the way down to the ticket center.
Well, we don't ride the ferry.
What's her?
We came in on the bus. No, it's snowing on Main Street though. Good night.
Good night now.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Well, love, I almost fell into her. I turned like this, turned around, and she was right there. I was like,
Shame on you. She could have arrested
I looked at
you.
the camera, so it's probably on camera.
She's gonna arrest you. Take you to jail. Then what, honey? You're gonna sling my phone out of my hand. Please stop doing that. Thank you.
Huh. We are number
30.
Should be. That's what he said when we got off.
That's number 30.
Disney
Inside
means
is
Disney.
Disney Hotel 28 in the far section.
Alright, come on, honey. Let me turn you come on. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh,
Gentlemen, if anyone has any questions about where they're headed, please feel free to ask.
those lights when you come in, they look just like
Good night, guys.
Right, good night, have a good night. They look like bags over them. But look like what over them? When we came in, those lights looked like they just had a white, like a trash bag over top of it. Now they're blown up like candles. It didn't look like that this morning. There's the ferries.
Bye, ferry boats.
When you have to park at Magic Kingdom, you park in the parking lot, you load on the ferry, and you ride it over. Huh?
He said he likes being here at night.
I did too.
I would love to ride Splash Mountain right now. I love doing that.
It would be fun. I need to see when the late night is. Because they're having extended hours. It's probably Friday.
You're like, yeah.
You know, it's like 40 degrees at our house, and it's like 70 something here.
And it's like 8 o'clock at night.
It's later than that, isn't it? 8:02.
Hey, it's what you're doing.
2 minutes off. How's that Rice Krispie dough?
Oh, can I have a little bite? Just a little one.
Tastes like homemade. Oh! Is it okay?
It's good. Ellie, you gonna drop it? And you'd be crying like a baby.
Yes, you would.
I'll say,
Bless him.
No, you'd be like, turn around, don't mind
Look
me
at him.
another one.
Run, dude. Run, catch that bus, catch the bus.
It's like, oh no. I better hurry.
Put her down. Stay up there.
oh, I like dead fish.
What's he doing that for?
Mom, we've got a bus.